In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter on this Nissan Rogue. This is going to be underneath the dash on the passenger side. Let's get into it. Underneath the dash, towards the center console, we're going to take this cover off. There's some clips. You just want to push the clips in. This cover slides off. You can see the filter right here. I'm going to grab the filter. You're going to have to pull it out. Pull that out. Now take the new filter. Just get it lined up. Slide it in place. There we go. You can bend it a little bit to make sure it lines up right. All right, that's in. Now take the cover, line the cover up, and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.